we'll just turn right out of the waters. Just so you can get your laundry done. Massages. You see, plenty of massage shops. So all this information. Best money exchange is next to Pinocchio's restaurants. Plenty of tailors here in Khao Lak too. Lots of these as well, advertising on my side. So these are restaurants at night, so we go for a breakfast in the morning. So it comes when it turns into Italian restaurants at night. Here at the waters by Katathani. Okay, quite busy as well. A little barber shop across the road here in a van. A barber shop in a van. Little bar here. So you can see there's plenty of nightlife here. Now this is a decent restaurant here, side corner. Really nice food in here. So see across the road there, this is the ATM, and there is a queue. It's the foreign exchange there, not this one here next to the chemist. Literally across the road, so where Pinocchio's is, I'll just show you now. Little stalls here. So as you say, there's Pinocchio's, and that's the foreign exchange. And today it was 42.4, but yesterday it was 43. And there's a 7-Eleven. Okay. So I'm just going to carry on walking up here for a little bit. Once we decide what we're going to eat for the night, where we're going to sit and eat. So as I was saying, there's a 7-Eleven. If you like these little walking tours, then do drop me a subscribe, a like, and hit the little bell. Plenty of tattoo shops and broccoli shops. We'll just cross over here. A beer garden. Looks pretty chilled and relaxed there, doesn't it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Now it's getting close. It's very busy here now in Khao Lak with it being high season. Also you'll find plenty of bars do have live music. You see there, little bar outside. The outdoor bar, decent prices. These little bikes with food on them, flag them down and make you stuff. I think that's the pancake one. Two places here. The nut house. Just over there. I'll be in there in a bit. That's up at the Sol layer here in Khao Lak. Oh yeah. The restaurants here. So look at the menu. Quick look at the menu. Okay. Must be good 'cause it's busy. So we're just asking the old elephant now. Someone playing the piano. And I'll let you know what the food's like after I've eaten it. See you in a minute. So I've just stopped in this restaurant here, had a quick look at the menu. It's mainly Northern Thai stuff. Didn't really fancy anything on the menu, to be honest. So we're going to keep along here, have a walk up the road and see if we've had another restaurants. In the meantime, we can have a look at the bars whilst we're walking up, trying to find that restaurant. Finds around Khao Lak a lot of Germans. Let's have a look at some of the fish. And you see, there's the fish. Old elephants. It's a decent little restaurant, isn't it? So we'll just have a look at the menu again.
Dass ihr mich nicht kennengelernt habt.
Okay. I'll just show you the menu here in this old elephants restaurant. That's like the European food and stuff. You've got your burgers, sandwiches.
How was it?
Your Thai food. Now all the Thai food seems to be reasonably priced. Not overly expensive. Even the set menu is quite good. Look at that.
You're going to do that. I'm saying if you're going to start, you need to speak more.
Quite a good selection, don't you think?
I was going to say, if you had something, you can have that, and if we were going to split the deal, like, you had one deal and we had
You
another.
do the kids menu. And then the drinks, you've got your wines and your beers.
Yeah.
So let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's like if I was getting a burger, a chicken burger, I'd want a cheese slice on it.
It's a cheeseburger, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's just, you know, but it's got, it's normal burger.
So I've got beef massaman curry with steamed rice. What do you think of that?
Spicy prawn and lemongrass, actually.
With garlic bread.
With garlic bread, yeah.
Steak's got a burger.
Got pepper.
Let me know what you think of that.
Carbonara.
Bacon and mushroom carbonara.
Oh, it's alright, Place that out. What's the real mustard? Oil mustard.
Really nice. I've just noticed as well, within the restaurants, if you have a wine cellar, you can actually go and pick your own wines. Let me just show you. That's what the prices. I've got a rush because I don't know if I'm allowed in here or not without no staff. There you go. As you can see. Feel free to pause the video, look at the price, zoom in if you have to. There you go. How good is that? Choose your own wine from the restaurants at the Old Elephants. And as you can see, all nice clean plates. So that was absolutely a Roy Mac. Oh. That food was absolutely delicious. Lisa?
Yes, it definitely was.
Stairs, you enjoy your burger?
Lovely.
Dave, you enjoy your soup?
Do you know what? Fantastic. Absolutely out this world. We will be back.
I second that. I'd come back. The Old Elephants, it was exceptional food. Really enjoyed it. So I'll continue with the walk in a minute, and then I'll end it the rest of the night when I finish the end of the road, and then I'll do part 2 tomorrow. Speak to you in a bit. Stay with me. So we're here at the Nut House here in Khao Lak. It's just a bit of a bonus footage, but yeah, it's not a bad night here. Come down and pay my visit. A young couple, one English lad and his Thai wife here at Nut House, Khao Lak. Come down, give them a try. Really good night in here. Good pool table, music. There you go. Sports, all your sports, everything in here. Give them a try.
I suppose we.
How you doing? You okay? Welcome to the Nut House.
Full of nuts is here.
Number 1 nutter.
Well, there we have it. That was the Old Elephants here in Khao Lak. Absolutely highly recommend. You have to get onto it. So I'm just going to continue with the road here, just see what else is up here, and then I'm going to go back down myself and finish off at the Nut House. So stay with me. Let's keep watching. Just a bit of waste ground here next to the Old Elephant restaurants. I'm just going to stand on the road. Loads of shops, some shops here. Exchange. Khao Lak curry restaurants and coffee shop. Tattoos. Now let's have a look at the fish in this stall here. You got some fish, a lobster, crab, fatty carp, ice cream, you want an ice cream, rent a bike, sailor shop, the wow bar. Not much wow in there tonight though, is there? Still early doors yet. Only 8:15. I'm just looking up there, I can hear the electric crackling away. Just up here. Lots of strange noises. And this is as far as you can go, because I'm now coming up to the beach. So I'll walk up to the beach and then we'll call it a night from there. Let's have a look what's here. Okay, it's all lit up. And it's a beach restaurant. So a quick look. It's all lit up. A few people in there. You can see the tide's in at the moment. Chong Fa restaurant, that's called. You see there. And there's the sea. Spotlight on the sea there. Not when actually on the beach, but yeah. There you go. Some people on the beach, some rocks this side. I don't know if you can see on the video, but here in the distance you'll see boats, they're fishing for squid. And then on my right hand side is the Solmer. There you go. Okay, there you have it. Little walking tour from the waters, part 1. I'll do part 2 tomorrow, so I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.